Hello guys, welcome to the HLA channel. Guess where am I? If you said Budapest, you said it rightly. I'm Budapest, and Budapest is the headquarters of OMIXON, the best company for HLA type by NGS in the world. I'm making this video to show you some of the European HLA companies, and OMIXON is one of them. I'd like to make some comments about OMIXON and about other HLA companies in Europe. OMIXON has an interesting history. It was created back in 2012 as a software company. At that time, many laboratories, many researchers were trying to find a way to do HLA typing by NGS. So they had the libraries, but they didn't have any software to analyze it. And then came OMIXON, offering a very good software to analyze their libraries by Illumina-based NGS. And when they were trying many laboratories, many libraries, they found one that was very good. And they said, oh, we have the software and here is a very good library. Why don't join it and make a very good product? And then we had the very first HLA typing by NGS in the market by OMIXON back in 2014. It is very interesting that we have such a very good company from Budapest, Hungary. It is not a big center as the UK or Germany or even the Netherlands, but they have a very good facility here with a very good laboratory, beautiful offices. So it is nice that you have a company with this structure, with this support. Today, OMIXON still has its first product. They launched it back in 2014, HLA typing by NGS, Illumina based, but they also developed a new product, and again a revolutionary product, an HLA typing based in nanopore technologies. Okay, so I take my way to the OMIXON offices to show you how the building is. Let's take a look at the beautiful Budapest, the headquarters of OMIXON, and let's walk with me. OMIXON is always present in the big HLA conferences as ASHI or EFI. IFI? Well, if you attend these meetings, please make a visit to the OMIXON booth, and if I'm there, come for a coffee. After Budapest, I'm in Amsterdam. But this wonderful and crazy and adventurous city isn't my final destination. I'm going to Utrecht, home of two HLA companies here in Holland. Of course, you know there are more European companies. Emilcor, maybe BAG, QIAGEN. We have many products from QIAGEN in our laboratories. INNOTRAIN and others, but I cannot visit all of them. So I had the opportunity to go to Budapest and here in Amsterdam, Utrecht. So these are the European companies I'm showing to you. Welcome to Utrecht. 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 Welcome to Utrecht, guys. The day is beautiful, the weather is good, nice temperature, fall is coming. And here in Utrecht there are two HLA companies. One of them is GENDX, famous GENDX, and the another one is future famous Jeta Molecular. Utrecht is a very nice city. First time I was here, I had a very good first impression. I was like, oh, I want to live here. So I'm back here because Utrecht has two HLA companies. I am heading now to GENDX, and there is no better way to do it in the Netherlands, Holland, Amsterdam, Utrecht than ride a bike. So let's go with me. Okay, 5 minutes riding. My butt is already in pain. Congratulations. Congratulations to the Amsterdamers to do it every day. But we have still 10 minutes of riding. Let's go. Well, finally we made it. Behind me is GENDX. GENDX was founded as a spin-off here at the Utrecht University, and in 2014 they launched their NGS product, HLA typing based, Illumina based. They had now a lot of products for transplants, not only pre-transplant but also post-transplant, including the HLA typing. They have a very good kit, a multiplex kit, and they are spread all over the world as well. But now GENDX was acquired by European Company. As part of the European Company, GENDX keeps its independent commercial area, selling its HLA kits to the laboratories. Well, enjoy the building. And finally, we have Jeta, Jeta Molecular. Jeta is from here, Utrecht as well. Jeta was founded by Doug Bust, a smart guy, that brilliant guy, you know. He developed some probes to do cell-free DNA, to do chimerism by qPCR and digital PCR. And it is a nice, an interesting kit that uses digital PCR. I'd like to go there, but my butt said no. No, please, don't go there. I have some pictures I will show you when I was there last year. They are a small company, but they are increasing. And you know, guys, all the big companies we have today, they started small. And trust them. Trust the small companies, because they can do big things. My journey ends here. I hope you have a curious spirit to keep with me until now. And see you next time. Bye bye.